This place has been shaped by thousands of years of rainwater erosion, composed of limestone rock formations, olive trees, and dense vegetation. G-House was built with respect for this unique ecosystem, preserving its natural elements while providing a functional, comfortable, and aesthetically refined living space. G-House is a minimalist and environmentally sustainable residence that coexists with its natural surroundings in the Gökçeovacık region of Muğla, Turkey. Positioned on a rocky hillside overlooking Göcek Island, the house offers a seamless connection with nature while maintaining a low-impact footprint. The house follows a rectangular layout, parallel to the slope of the valley. It spans approximately 807 square feet, with an additional 538 square foot covered terrace surrounding the entire structure. One side of the living room is set at an angle, oriented to optimize views of the sea. Inside, the house follows an open-plan layout, maximizing its compact size. It consists of a living area, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and built-in storage niches. Instead of conventional partitions or doors, the house maintains visual continuity throughout. A kitchen island and a fireplace subtly define the spatial organization. Circulation spaces also serve functional purposes, incorporating additional storage and wash basin niches. Overhangs and terraces further enhance the relationship between the interior and exterior spaces. Designed with minimal intervention in nature, the house features a steel structure and is supported by individual foundation pieces, eliminating the need for extensive excavation or retaining walls. No artificial landscaping was introduced, leaving the vegetation untouched. G-House operates with a self-sufficient infrastructure. Water is collected in a dedicated tank, and energy needs are met by solar panels. Despite its glass facade, the design and orientation minimize the need for air conditioning. The architecture fosters a continuous experience between indoor and outdoor spaces, reinforcing the idea of being in nature rather than merely observing it. G-House represents a contemporary approach to rural living where environmental, technological, and economic factors converge. As global interest in sustainable lifestyles grows, migration to rural areas is becoming an increasingly viable choice. Advances in off-grid living solutions, organic farming, and permaculture are making self-sufficient rural homes more attractive. In this context, G House embodies a modern, sustainable, and aesthetically refined model of countryside living. Beyond its physical presence, G House is an architectural statement on the relationship between human habitation and nature. By employing recyclable materials, a minimal footprint, and a design philosophy that prioritizes experience over dominance, the house offers a temporary yet meaningful existence within its environment. It serves as a retreat that both shelters from nature and embraces it, a paradox of architecture that ultimately defines its essence.